did it. Oh, look at that one. Oh yeah. Look at that head. Look at the mountain. This is so pretty. Like what? Look how pretty. Like what? Y'all, my hair is done. It's not done. We're still like working on it and stuff. My lips look ashy. Oh. We're still doing stuff to it, but I'm gonna see if this hat gonna make it flat looking. My head look big, bro. It don't look flat. Her desk is cute. First of all, look at the material. Like, why is her desk so cute? The hat, it's a hat. Is it not? Is it good? It's not bad. I personally think it's the way that she rated it. I don't want to tell her that because she's gonna be like, they're good. They're just bulky. This smells good.
Look good. Why you look good with the hat on?
My head look big with the hat on. I look like an alien. I'll do too. It's okay. I always look like an alien. I do. And she got a whole bunch of people's Instagrams today. She got an Instagram with this one dude that looked nasty.
He don't look nasty. He's just a little funny looking in the face. Height and color and all that. Cute. He just need like his gap. I don't know. I don't be paying attention, but Gabby said he got a gap.
He was nasty. Like, I was looking at him, and when they was like, oh, he went to Instagram talking about me, I'm glad I didn't reject him before he could say, I don't even watch Instagram anyway. That would have been embarrassing. But, because he was just acting, he was like,
I wouldn't reject him in front of his friends, you know?
I would, I don't care.
That's embarrassing.
I would at least lie to that boyfriend. She don't gotta lie though.
Shut up.
Oh.
It's not bad.
See, I like how she put the hat on to cover it up. Let's take it
The
off.
top didn't look bad. He's flattening it. He did a Barbie ponytail.
Yeah.
You get in the shower tomorrow or tonight and you can wash it off.
No, I'll leave it. That just killed me to say I don't want to leave it. I'm just trying to see how I would look on a regular day out. Because I've been doing this lip combo for a minute. I love it. It makes my teeth look whiter. I need my teeth to whiten, like, actually. So, ladies, Mercedes, turn around, stick it out. Even white boys got shot. Baby got Anyways, so I'm gonna make TikToks. I'm gonna talk to y'all, but I'm not making TikToks no more. In the woods. Oh, my camera's at 78%.
So yeah.
Base.
This isn't base. Go play somewhere else.
It's base. Wait, you can
I'm not mean, I swear.
Yo, there's a man. He was in his camper thing, but he had like a screen door on his door. He was looking outside of it and just staring at me.
His look like.
He just staring. I'm like, Brooke, and I lock eyes with him. I just stare at him. Cause you're not about to stare at me. I'm act like I don't see you. I'm gonna stare back. I was staring at him back. And that man was staring. He was still staring. Came outside and he was still staring. I did my lashes, by the way.
What?
Where you get that camera?
Why y'all following us?
Move.
We're going to the bathroom. We got a box room here. It smells clean.
I'll take it in there.
Like, I took a shower last night. Yeah, that's your accurate, isn't it?
I got jet lag slash car lag slash I don't want to do nothing today.
Yeah, put it on.
They got a playground. I might hit that up. Yeah, I'm the reason.
Gabriel, you're not helping.
You didn't ask me for help. Y'all see how she be doing me, bro? She swear I'm not useful at all, but she never asked for no help. How am I supposed to read your mind? I didn't know you need help. She tripping on bigger freaking nails.
Let me come help me, Gabriel.
Okay. Okay. Help me with what?
This up.
Fuck with it. Oh,
Get
that.
up and then switch it. Let's see if you can figure out which one is which.
Okay, dope. So we better figure this out. I need to change my hoodie.
Okay, alright, go sleep.
This is not, I don't know what to do. Yo, we're in the wilderness. I got a bonnet on. It's real pretty. It's real lake-like. Like, it's real cute. But you can't even hear the kids no more. You kind of can.
I hope somebody dropped me.
I just heard a bug. I heard a bug. I don't like this. I'm trying to get away from them, because what? I got my cross. I lost my other cross necklace and I want to cry. And I lost my gold freaking, because I'm like, it's gold season for me right now. Once the winter comes, that's when I get to wear all my silver and stuff. But right now it's all gold. But I lost all my gold jewelry. It looked real abandoned.
I wonder how they carved it with a stick.
I doubt that was with a stick. Look, everyone carving their
Fuck
names.
the camera, just gonna throw it.
You running from her, y'all. That was scary. It's a donkey, my cousin. End it all. It's not worth it. Oh, he biting onto the.
We think that's a donkey.
What the?
Some in his foot. He says, "Give me some."
But does my hair look messed up? Oh, it doesn't. But I'm really feeling my hair, y'all. I'm so glad I did the curtain bangs.
Turn it around.
The zoo we be going to, they be having them just out.
The Detroit Zoo?
Uh-huh.
They just walk around.
Got ready to attack you. Talking about turning it around, like y'all not here to see me. Let me stop playing. I don't know. This would be having the slaves look like. Oh, they're birds. They're not even chickens here. Oh, why are they so fluffy?
Right, this is the type of chicken that I would have if I had chicken.
Right, that's what like the white ones are like something that rich folk would
Look at
have.
the gray one.
I thought there was dogs for a sec. Look at
They got
that.
apple. They got more hair than me.
I can feel my hair sweating out, y'all.
The baby.
My phone was on.
Come here.
You're looking at the exotic animals. My camera is still gonna die.
See the spider yet?
Where? Oh, well that's scary. Don't give me nightmares. Oh, I see it too.
And then a corn snake. Oh, that's so.
I don't see nothing. We are here. My hair still look kind of. It look decent. It don't look that bad.
Alright, hold on. Oh!
It's starting to look a little like a jellyfish cut. You ever seen that haircut? Like how they be doing a jellyfish?
Yeah, please do that.
I'm scared. I gotta stick. But it hurts. Gotta close it. I'm real scared. Like they really. Hopefully I don't drop my camera. So I set it down.
They're knocking birds down. You got the big one I wanted.
Oh, they fighting! They keep fighting, but they're so.
I hold all kinds of birds. Every bird is welcome.
Oh, they fighting too. They are real aggressive. It's definitely giving Betty's West in here. Y'all, watch out.
This one at the top is very. I'm putting my fingers out so they have places to stand.
I'm sitting on our phones right now. Birds everywhere. I really got the one that Brooke wanted. I feel bad.
I got it.
Oh, she got it. Ah, she got got like a bunch. Look at them eating. I only got one. Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
I want a red one. I don't care. That big one, I just threw him.
You can go. Why you threw the big one?
Because he keeps fighting them away. Okay, I got a really pretty one.
Fight.
No, oh my goodness, and he scared the really pretty one away.
This one hogging it. Can you get off? You keep coming back. This might be the last clip because y'all.
These look like mine.
Right. I want that one. That one's really pretty.
That's the one I just had, but the other one came back and scared it.
They're all really vibrant. That's what I like about them. I don't know why I like him. I like him a lot. Y'all just sitting. I want one on my hand.
Look, come here. Both of y'all, step up, please.
I'm scared they're gonna peck me, but at the same time I'm not. You want? Come on.
Look at him. Look how cute he is.
I know. I'm about to have us up here all the whole ride. We are on, I don't know what you want to call it, a hay ride. It's not really a hay ride.
A tractor ride?
Tractor ride, hay ride type. But it's like a worm, like multiple carts. And we about to go soon. It's a couple people on this. We about to be swerving and swerving. I don't know how long it is. It's like a 10-minute ride, I think. It's just a lap around the park. She was walking around while we was waiting for the freaking thing. She was walking around collecting food for the animals. Mind you, I'm still hungry. I'm thirsty, honestly. Forget hungry. I just want something.
And we went all the way back to the car.
And it was locked. She got a lot. She asked me, she's like, you think I can fill it up? I was like, we'll be here all day. But it took us like not even an hour. Not even 20 minutes. It took us, it might have been 20 minutes. It took us a minute. But yeah, everybody get on this ride. Camera at 9%. Yeah. I feel like this is one of those all-nighter freaking videos. Not all-nighter, but like breaking and entering type videos. It's really cold. But I'm about to put a hoodie on because it's real. You can see I'm really cold. Well, you can't see I'm really cold, but you can see why I'm really cold. Brick.
I look scared.
She look ghostly.
It's because I'm white.
No, you just look ghostly.
I'm not even white.
These freaking thin sweatpants on, so I'm about to grab. There.
You see?
On my eyelash. And
I don't really have no scary stuff. I mean, I got a few where I almost died.
That's not scary. That's a dream.
No, it wasn't a dream.
That's a dream of mine.
Oh, we can watch Good Girls. That's all I got.
We about to watch stuff on her porn.
I'm not gonna watch it right now though. You gotta save it for later.
I'm gonna see you on the flip side.